Welcome to another Solidworks tutorial, guys. In this example, we're going to go over the thickness analysis tool. Right now we have a part that's set at a thickness or depth of 5 millimeters. So we're going to explain how to use this tool to show weakness. Anything below a certain thinness threshold, it will warn you of those areas. So let's change this to 3 millimeters, which is less than our part width of 5 millimeters. We're going to go down here for face. For local analysis, we're going to select this face. We're going to select calculate. And of course it didn't find any regions below 3 because our entire part is set to 5 millimeters. So what happens if we set this now to 13 millimeters and we select this face again? We hit calculate. It'll show us this red color on this face since every area is below the 13 millimeters as expected. Just a quick tool tip on how to use the thickness analysis. Like and subscribe to the channel, guys. We'll see you on the next one.